This very cheap penny stock is getting people very excited right now, but what is the hype about? What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor. I got the clothing line to prove that fact, baby. And today we are speaking about Healthier Choices Management Corp. Now we will have a little bit of a look into the company, what they do. Essentially, they're a publicly traded company specializing in providing consumers with healthier alternatives to everyday lifestyle choices. But that's not the reason that everybody's speaking about these guys right now. It's because of this. HCMC Stock skyrockets amid lawsuit speculation. So back on November 30th, these guys filed patent infringement lawsuit against Philip Morris, okay, a huge publicly traded company, to the tune of nearly $125 billion worth of market cap. Huge company. So this very small company, Healthier Choices Management Corp, with an $84 million market cap, is fighting one of the big guys. And it's a patent infringement lawsuit, which is in relation to their IQOS product. So before we do get too into anything, I want to say that if I am to play these guys, in my head right now, it's nothing more than a swing trade. As of recording this video, I don't own a position in the company. If I have bought one since, it will be in the comment section in a pinned comment or in the title so you guys are aware. I don't like to mislead you guys, so if I have a position, you'll know. If it's not there, I haven't bought them. So that's the main thing I want to speak about. I also want to speak about this from December 14th, where they announced formation of Intellectual Property Holdings Subsidy, which I find quite interesting. We'll have a little bit of a look through the SEC filing, but this user on Reddit summarizes it very nicely. So my friends, right before we do get into the video, can I please ask you to hit that juicy like button? Drop me a comment down below. Let me know, did you buy into these guys? I know a few people got in at the 0.0001 mark, making some good bank, baby. If you are indeed new around here, my friend, please hit that juicy red subscribe button and join the family of investors. We're trying to get to 100,000, baby. Also, if you are interested in joining my private Discord group, today is the best day to do it, baby. We charge the first of the month, so you get the best value today, and I mean, investors love value. In there, you get access to all of my buy and sell alerts. I spoke about this earlier on before I made this video, so everybody was aware of it. Access to all of my swing trades, long-term investments, a community of nearly 2,400 investors, over 50 private channels. We made a lot of money in January. We made a lot of swing trades in January. Our hit rate has been beautiful. So if you are interested, that's the first link. If you're interested in 4 free stocks on Webull, that's the second link, my friends. You gotta sign up, deposit $100. It's that simple. You get free money, baby. So look at this 5-day chart quickly, and you can see that, yeah, they have had their ups and downs. They've been up over 1,000%. They've come back down over 38%. I want to show you the volume as well. On Friday, the company has seen more than 3 billion shares change hands. That is huge compared to the average trading volume of 356 million. So what I want to say with these guys is I think that you're either going to make a lot of money. I mean, I don't think this is going to be a 10 or 20% swing. I think you're going to make 50 to 100% at a low estimate, or you are going to lose nearly all of your investment. That is honestly the way I feel about these guys. I think that it is very high risk, very high reward. I don't think it's comparable to, you know, I'm in TMDI and BOIL right now. I don't think it's very comparable. I think you're going to make a lot or lose nearly everything. So please be aware of that. That is my thought process from the start. So if you are contemplating these guys, if you are doing your research, please keep that in the back of your mind. This is definitely not one I'd be going all in on. And if I am to go in, it's probably going to be a smaller position than you guys are used to seeing. But here's what's happening, okay? So they're suing Philip Morris. The lawsuit was originally filed back in November 2020. This has investors taking interest in the company as they speculate it could win the lawsuit against Philip Morris, which obviously would lead to a lot of money coming into the company and a lot of people FOMOing in. So if they do win, the company is seeking damages from Philip Morris International. The lawsuit alleges that PM infringed on its patent 170 with the IQOS tobacco vapor product. So Healthier Choices Management operates an 18,000 square foot grocery store in Fort Myers, as well as 3 Paradise Health and Nutrition locations in Greater Melbourne. The company operates 9 vape shops throughout the southeast US, and that is what everything is in regards to right now, this IQOS tobacco vapor product. And they own several patents in connection to electronic cigarettes. If you look at Philip Morris, they have a history of being sued and also suing the government. Right now there is also people called BAT who is filing patent suits against Philip Morris IQOS products. I mean, nobody knows who's going to win or what is going to happen. One thing that I'd like to say is it was originally filed back at the end of November. You will see here, where are we? It was actually the 30th of November. This was supposed to have been over and done by now, but Philip Morris asked for an extension and HCMC didn't oppose. So that extension is for towards the end of February, I believe, the last week of February. So people could buy up in anticipation of this, but if that's not to happen and if it's being prolonged again, I would expect a sharp sell-off. And the thing is, That's still 3.5 weeks away. I personally couldn't see myself holding this company for that long. It's going to be a bumpy ride in my personal opinion. That's all I'm trying to say. I think there's going to be a lot of volatility in these guys, but just be aware of that one. So a little bit more on the lawsuit itself, okay? It includes claims that Philip Morris is infringing HCMC's patent rights in connection with IQOS, an alternative tobacco product marketed and sold by Philip Morris. They claim that it's currently approaching 14 million users of its IQOS product and has reportedly invested over $3 billion in their smokeless tobacco products. So guys, you can see that if HCMC wins this, they're going to make a lot of money. You have to keep in mind they currently have an $84 million market cap, and that is after a 300% run up on the 5-day chart, okay? These guys were sub $30 million. So winning a lawsuit like this against an absolute giant of a company such as PM with a $124 billion market cap, yeah, you're more than likely going to get quite a bit of money out of them, which is going to lead artificially to a huge run up in your price. Now the thing is, okay, this IQOS product is currently the subject of 2 other patent infringement proceedings filed by R.J. Reynolds Tobacco Company. One proceeding is before the International Trade Commission and seeks to stop the importation of the product into the United States. The other patent infringement action currently pending in the Eastern District of Virginia. R.J. Reynolds' patents are unrelated and not affiliated with the patents asserted in the HCMC case. So that is what is happening, and that is why you're seeing so many people get excited about this little $0.0008 stock. One more thing I'd like to say is that in general the markets are not in a normal place right now. They are not in a healthy place right now. Everything that's going on with Wall Street bets and all of the short squeezes, there's been a lot of market-wide sell-offs. Nothing really makes a lot of sense right now, and that's why swing trades are actually extra scary at the moment. If you hop on the right one, you're going to make a lot of money, but if you hop on the wrong one, you're going to lose that very quickly. One thing that I did find interesting when I was looking at these guys is they announced the formation of their intellectual property holding subsidiary. I mean, this doesn't seem like a coincidence that they're doing this while they are suing over patent infringements. So this came out December 14th. They announced it has formed a new wholly owned subsidiary to hold, market, and expand its intellectual property assets. So their focus with this new subsidiary is to invest in innovation and encourage further development of core intellectual property. So it's not necessarily directly involved with the lawsuits that are going on, but it was just something I found when I was looking into them that I thought was quite interesting. So essentially, if they do win, okay, they are ordering the defendants to account and pay damage adequate to compensate plaintiff for defendant's infringement of the 170 patent, including pre-judgment and post-judgment interest, and cost and supplement damages for any continuing post-verdict or post-judgment infringement. Ordering accounting on any infringing sales not presented at trial. Awarding Healthier Choices its costs and expenses incurred in this action. Granting Healthier Choices such other and further equitable relief which may be requested and to which Healthier Choices is entitled, and granting such further relief as the court deems appropriate. This could be very, very good for the company if they win. That is the important thing, is the if they win. My honest opinion on these guys right now is, I think I've made quite clear, it's a high risk, high reward swing play. Just because it's $0.0008 a share right now does not mean that it can, you know, easily 1000x. Look at the market cap. Keep in mind that it is at 84 million. Look at the market cap, not the stock price. And when you do that and you look at their 10Q, you can see that current assets have came down year over year pretty much. Total assets have gone up by a couple hundred thousand. Current liabilities are absolutely terrible compared to current assets. Total liabilities aren't the worst compared to total assets. Obviously, everybody in the world wants this to go to $1 a share because it'll make literal millionaires, if not billionaires, overnight. For me, if I am to swing it, you know, I'm probably going to be looking for 50 to 100% or so, and I'll be happy. But anyway, my friends, that was my quick video on these guys, as I have been getting asked about them quite a little bit. My main piece of advice is just don't get burned. But anyway, guys, if you watch this video all the way till the end, you, my friend, are a true legend, and I appreciate you being here. From the bottom of my heart, your support means the world to me. Please, if you did enjoy, could I ask you to hit that juicy like button, drop me that comment down below, and please subscribe if you're new around here, my friend. And if you are interested in joining that private Discord group, again, today is the best day to do it. We eat baguettes, baby. The whole gang's been eating baguettes. All of my buy and sell alerts, over 50 private channels, a community of over 2,300 investors. It's juicy. If you want those free stocks on Webull, that's the second link. Anyway, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed day. I'll see you in another video very soon. Peace.